Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening messages and selecting a contact. Make sure you see blue bubbles so you know it's iMessage. Tap the text field and type clearly. Use it mentions for group threads if needed. Once done, attach photos or location with the app drawer icons. Compress large images automatically to avoid delays. Make sure to check Wi-Fi or cellular data and verify the recipient's Apple ID if delivery issues appear. You'll want to use built-in features to communicate efficiently. Open the app drawer to add photos, GIF, Memoji, or payments. When in groups, reply to a specific message or mention a name to direct attention. This keeps conversations readable. Once comfortable, use tapback for quick acknowledgement and message effects for emphasis, but be mindful, effects can be turned off by recipients. Make sure to preview large files before sending to avoid long upload time. You finish by confirming delivery and optionally read receipts. Check the small status under the last message. If messages fail, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then toggle iMessage off and on. This often resets registration. Make sure to restart your device and update iOS for persistent bugs. If nothing works, reset network settings as a last step. This clears Wi-Fi and VPN settings, but typically resolves stubborn connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.